Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to solve jump additional problem. Let's look at some examples. You have 75 plus 12. So first of all, you need to draw your number line. The number line. So we have 75. So here look at how many tens and how many units. Here you have 1 10 and 2 1. So you need to jump 1 10 plus 10. So you have 8 5. So now you have 2 ones. You need to jump plus 1 8 6. To jump another plus 1 is 8 7. So your answer is 8 7. Look at more examples. We have 77 plus 22 is equals to. First of all, you draw your number lines. So you have 77. So now look at here. You have 2 tens and 2 ones. You now jump plus 10. You have 8 7. You now jump another 10. Have plus 10. Have 8 97. So here you have 2 ones. You now jump ones plus 1 is 98. You now jump another 1. You have 99. So your answer is 99. Let's look at more example. Here you have 11 plus 11. So first of all, you need to draw your number line. So you have 11. So here you have 1 tens and 1 1. So you jump plus 10. So 11 plus 10 is 21. So you jump 1 ones. So you have plus 1 is 22. So your answer is 22. Let's look at more examples. Here you have 52 plus 34. First of all, you have to draw your number line. Have 52. So here you have 3 10 and 4 1. So you jump 10 3 times. You have plus 10. Have 62. Jump on that 10. plus 10, that's 72. You have another 10 plus 10, you have 82. You now jump once 4 times, you have plus 1, have 83, plus 1, have 84, jump plus 1, have 85, plus 1, have 86. So your answer is 86. Thank you for watching.